Hello everyone, and welcome to another Minecraft video. This video I'll be showing you something called a item to binary decoder. So this has to do with my binary storage tech, and basically what it does is you input an item and it gives the item's binary code. So the simplest way to explain a binary storage is instead of having filters, each item has its own number. So say, for example, a quartz block has the number 36. And then the system will send it to chest number 36. And that is basically how it works. But if there's no filters, how does it know what each item's number is? And this is what basically this does. So currently nothing is encoded in here, and this can do a pretty big amount of numbers. So it could do a combination of 10 bits, and that's enough to handle all unstackable items in Minecraft. So each one of these slots, these chests for these 12 sets of chests is how many it could sort. And each one of these color changes here represent one binary bit in the system. So first, let's say you want to decode something like redstone. So basically how you would encode it is, let's say we want to put it as the binary code of 1, 0, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 0. What we can do is we could put two items in here, and then this bit needs to be turned off. And we could put two more items in here. We can just make sure you have it correct, reset the system. Then if we put our item in here, the lights will light up that correspond with that item, and the minecart will come back and redeposit the items back in here, and then your output is here, and then you can send in another item here. And that's basically the way this works. But let's say you have something like banners. I mean, you almost never will use something like this. So say we want to put it as the binary code of black can be something like this. Then we could put it next to here. You can also put it in the next chest or any of these in these 6 double chests. Then now let's just reset the system. And when we input our item into here, the binary code of that item comes out. But let's say you don't want to waste an entire chest on just one black banner that you probably only have a couple of. What you can do is you can come back here, see this one right here, and we can put in our items in here. And just to show you that you can put it in different chests, I'll put this one in here, like that. And you don't have to reset the system every time, it resets itself. So let's say we put in our redstone block in again. Oops. I think this is a weird glitch with comparators sometimes. There you go. And we get the binary code of that item. And the reason why we use a piston bolt is so that it can only take one item from here when it goes under. So it's a fast way to move the minecart. And then we have a water elevator that sends the minecart back. And all these hoppers are locked, except for the ones that the items have been taken out of. So as you can see, we got that binary code. And if you put in our light gray banner, it'll reset. and we'll get the same one as the black banner, which means that you can have multiple items in the same chest, and you could do some pretty neat stuff using binary storage. And how this works is basically we have observers detecting the items being taken out, and then it goes into a T flip-flop that locks these hoppers or unlocks them so that the minecart can put them back in. And then these come down here. So each set of these rails represents the bits, and then we just send the signal down here into these RS NOR latches. So there's an item in one of these. So then the item goes up or down and gives a signal. That's how the reset works. And this is technically directional because of the piston bolt. If you want to build it in a different direction, you will have to just replace this with normal blocks. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next redstone video.